Is your Boat Aavante Soundbar giving you trouble, like Bluetooth not connecting, audio not syncing, or buttons not responding? Don't worry, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to hard reset your Boat Aavante Soundbar. A factory reset can instantly fix most problems, whether it's connectivity issues, performance glitches, or other errors. Here's how to do it. First, make sure your soundbar is turned on. Now, on your remote, press and hold the play-pause button and the power button together for about 5 to 10 seconds. You'll notice the soundbar restart or the LED indicators flash. That means the reset was successful. After the reset, your soundbar will forget all previously paired devices, so you'll need to reconnect it again, and that's it. You've successfully hard reset your Boat Aavante Soundbar. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.